Here are some of the important case laws under the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908. 1. Jurisdiction of Civil Courts, Kiran Singh vs. Chaman Paswan, 1954. SC. The court held that a decree passed by a court without jurisdiction is a nullity and its invalidity can be challenged at any stage. Second, Res Judicata, Section 11, Dariau vs. State of UP, 1961. SC. The court held that the doctrine of res judicata applies to writ petitions filed under Article 32 and 226 of the Constitution. Satyadhyan Gosal vs. Diogen Debi, 1960, SC. The court held that res judicata is based on public policy to prevent multiplicity of litigation for the same cause. Third, ex parte decree, Order 9, Rule 13. Bagmal vs. Kunwar Lal, 2010, SC. The court held that an ex parte decree can be set aside if the defendant proves sufficient cause for absence. Fourth, principles of natural justice. Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India, 1978. SC. The court held that, though this case primarily pertains to constitutional law, it reinforced that any proceeding, even under CPC, must follow the principles of natural justice. Fifth Amendment of Pleadings, Order 6, Rule 17. Rajesh Kumar, Agarwal vs. KK Modi, 2006. SC. The court held that amendments should be allowed to avoid multiplicity of proceedings unless it changes the nature of the case or prejudices the other party. Sixth Interim Injunction, Order 39, Rules 1 and 2. Gujarat Bottling Company, Limited vs. Coca-Cola Company, 1995. SC. The court held that the court should grant an interim injunction if there is a prima facie case, balance of convenience, and irreparable loss. 7. Restitution, Section 144. Binayak Swain vs. Ramesh Chandra Panigrahi, 1966 SC. The court held that a party unjustly enriched by a court order must restore benefits after the decree is reversed or set aside. 8. Execution of decrees, Section 47. Bramdeo Chaudhary vs. Rishikesh, Prasad Jaiswal, 1997. SC. The court held that a third party claiming rights in the property can object during the execution stage without filing a separate suit. 9th. Public Interest Litigation, PIL, Bandhwa Mukti Morcha v. Union of India, 1984. SC. The court held that while PIL is more relevant to constitutional law, civil courts must ensure access to justice without procedural hindrances. 10th. Inherent Powers of Court, Section 151. Arjun Singh vs. Mohindra Kumar, 1964. SC. The court held that the court's inherent powers cannot override express provisions of CPC.